Hello, my name is Paolo Espantigon, and I just want to take a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me will be beneficial to your company. Currently, I am completing my fifth year at Malayan Colleges Laguna, where I am studying for my bachelor's degree in accountancy. I already have a great educational base in both accounting and auditing. I have already completed my courses on financial accounting, taxation, auditing, management advisory services, and business law. In the past, I was able to combine this educational base with hands-on experience attained through the summer internship program in the country's top auditing firm, CCF Gores Velayo and Company. The internship program gave me the opportunity to apply what I have learned in the field and also experience common auditing procedures like inspection of documents, recalculation, analytics, and audit remediation. Along with my technical skills, I also engage myself in extracurricular activities like leadership and community engagement. These experiences have taught me to be a team player and practice and strengthen my relationship building skills and communication skills. My leadership experiences include being the executive president of the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants in our local chapter. In this organization, I was able to contribute my knowledge and skills to the whole accountancy student community. Aside from being an active member of the JPIA, I was also elected as a board member of the E.T. Yuchenko College of Business Student Council to organize and lead school activities. Aside from my leadership experiences, I was also nominated as one of the most outstanding youth in Laguna by the Gawad Laguna Incorporated, where I received a special award. I hope this proves to you that I am dedicated, committed, and passionate about my work. Together with my educational background and these past experiences, I can add value to your company. You can contact me through my email account and mobile number screened in the video so that we may discuss my qualifications in greater detail. And I can assure you that you won't regret hiring me. Thank you for watching.